Hello guys and welcome to Fit Soul Kitchen. I'm Nancy and I'm going to be bringing you some wholesome, delicious and healthy recipes. Some of you already follow me on Instagram. I'm under Nancy's Fit Soul Kitchen and I also post now and then on my blog. You can go and check that out. That's www.fitsoulkitchen.com. I'll be giving you some food tutorials on here, showing you quick ways to make good, delicious, wholesome meals for you and your families. And you guys can also give me your suggestions, what you want to see and what you might want to see more of. So yeah, you guys subscribe, click like, tell your friends, tell your families, and enjoy all the videos.